and making sure I try not to go past 28, 29. So 28, 29. National speed limit is 60 on a single carriageway, but we will not be doing 60 here. Glenmavis, you're going to aim for about 40 maximum. So my speed is about 37, 38. Yeah, there's a bend coming. I'm just easing off the gas a little bit, just a little bit. I can see around the corner, I'm back on the gas. I didn't need to use my foot brake because I'm going uphill. There's another bend, I'm just easing off the gas a little, and there we go. And then I'm back on the gas again. So 36, 37. If you see this red pole on the right hand side, this is a reference point for you that there's a roundabout coming ahead. Okay, and the fence on the left hand side, the brown fence, this is where I would check my mirrors and signal right. Middle right, signal right, because we're taking the second exit. And by the second to last lamppost on my right, I'm slowing my speed down and I'm bringing it down to about 15, around 15, 16, because I'm making this right turn. That is a tight bend, so be wary of your speed coming around that corner.